So now, like, we're definitely gonna keep you posted and update when she had the pictures, because we can't wait. She's gonna put probably like, maybe she's gonna put whole kits on it. I know Mika. She's like, either go big or go home.
That's right.
You said either go big or go home. She's wear that all the time, which is awesome. Hey, because what you love to do and wear, do it. Some people will like short nails and really nice and conservative. Some people like really is sparkles and really, really dramatic, which is me. Out of like my 4 siblings, 4 girls, I'm the one that's really, really sparkle. But in fact, that probably my sister watching me doing a cute nails now with her sweet daughters. And one of this day, I'm gonna teach my little niece how to do this, and she can like have a little of a studio at home. She's like, she's 7 years old, and she's like, she's watching my life all the times. So it's so cool. They're watching, and if they don't see me go live, say, what Tata doing live? Here she's watching it. So we are going to go in. I think it's just going to be cool for her to doing this using Precision Glue Gel. She's going to do this and going to her. I can definitely teach her when we come visit her. She's going to have a little mini shop at her room. So I'm go ahead and seal. So now you can definitely using the other end with this Precision brush. And yesterday you see that I did using Precision on the needle end because I was using my non-dominant hand and do it. So it's really helped me so much. Or either that, or if you're doing for your clients, it's help you go into every single corner, edges, gap that you might like not like possible to go through it with the Precision brush. With the needles, will go into right here, all the edges, and I can see the scratchy, but just only seals on the top of the metal beads and frame, and stop at where the crystal. You don't want to coat and flooded crystal with the Precision Glue Gel. You only want to go and feel on the gap, and then anything is right here just feel scratchy. You're gonna squeeze just a little bit. And you know what? Keep in mind, you can definitely go over 1 more time, 2 more times, 3 more times if you have a longer nails or have a lot of elements, a lot of crystal between flat back, chain, charms, or is big size and big size of a 3D crystal. You can go back more than just 1 time. So then that way you can definitely double, triple secure it without floating on your crystal and without worry about it's gonna catching on the hair or the clothes or the fabric. So you can see that I'm going to really in details on this, and it doesn't take this process, it doesn't take much of your time at all because it already does all the work. So you're doing like a little exam and you're gonna seal. You can see that I seals on the top of the metal because within washing our hand and you know, using a lot of hand sanitize, it will definitely is not going to be a gently with our beautiful is metal piece. So we want to protect it by seal completely. And so it's not only is keep it double secure and stay really good, and also is keep the metal frames from getting tarnished. So I'm gonna seal right here between crystal and frame. It's gonna hold the crystal in the frame and then seal this metal piece right there. All right, and then keep in mind you can go back again if you feel like it's scratchy. Definitely do it again, but make sure each time you are going to do, we are going to flash cure for 30 seconds first. I'm gonna go in underneath of the flowers right here and make sure the base is like seal if any of a gap right here. And then when you're especially doing a crystal with a really good size like this, make sure you are going to